Hello, we will continue with components. To be easier to follow, let's clean everything in our app HTML file. Here, we will delete all. And we will add again one h1 tag. And we will add some text inside. This is my first app. And also we will add one button. And inside we will say hello. Okay, let's also clean our CSS files from things that we don't need anymore. First, here, this CSS for h1 and button we will keep, but this we don't need. Also in styles CSS, we don't need this CSS. I will delete this and save. And let's see how it looks in browser. Okay, this is fine. Let's go back in app.ts file. We learned that with template URL and style URL, we can reference outside files and write there template and style for our component. But in Angular, there is also another way to set template and style for component. We can write inline template in component, and syntax for that is next. Template and back quotes. And between these back quotes, we can add the same HTML as it is inside app HTML file. We can copy this and paste here. And you can see in the browser results. It's the same thing. Nice. And try same for style URL. Instead style URL, we can write styles. And here we will write back quotes. And copy everything from CSS file from here and paste here. Only to format this. Okay, save. And let's see in browser. Result is the same. But you may ask yourself, but why you want to use this inline template and style? It is easier maybe to have all separated in files. Yes, it is in situation where you have a big template and much CSS, and then you want to separate things in files to be easier for maintaining. But sometimes you have component like this and small template and CSS, and you want to have everything on one place to pack things in one file. This could be maybe more readable than approach with separate files. You can see h1 here in template, and you can find easily h1 CSS here. It is just simple. Both ways are fine, but it depends on you, what are your preferences and how complicated is your component. There is one more thing related to this component decorator properties that I want to explain you in details, and it is this selector property. We talked about this earlier, but we will back again on this in next video. That's it for this video. Thanks.